guys, it's Kaylee, and today I'm going to be doing a very different video. I've never done anything like this before, and so I'm super excited to show you all. I'm going to be doing the puppy dog Snapchat filter Halloween costume. So basically the only makeup part in this is just the eyes and face. The rest of it is, well, I made it. So I'm going to start off this video by showing you how I made my puppy dog ears. So all you're going to need is some kind of headband. It could be like a cutesy one, but it needs to be really thin, not like too thin, like the little round ones, but like about like that thin. I'll just show you about like that. And then you can just go online and print off the puppy dog emoji thing. And mine was just an image on Google. So I just typed in puppy dog Snapchat filter, and these popped up, and then I printed it out and just cut it out. So I printed them out. I got fabric glue, and the way they come printed out is it leaves a little bit of space. So you cut out that space too, so you can fold underneath the headband. So here we go. So I'm going to start off by using the True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator. I'm just going to take a lot of that and, excuse me, rub it all over my face like it is a primer. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the True Match Lumi Foundation. It looks so nasty. Like that. And I'm just going to put a few pumps on the back of my hand, and then just go straight in with my beauty blender and this, and start doing these like streak looking things. Womp, womp. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Conceal. I don't know why I just said Masterpiece. But the Maybelline Master Conceal. Just squeeze it out. Is blended in for sure. My hand is cramping. I'm just going to take my powder, and I always use the Clinique translucent powder. There, if you watch my videos, you know that that's what I use. And I have lately, I don't know if I've done this in a video yet, but I have been taking this IT Cosmetics brush, that and a good amount of powder, yeah. I mean, I'm just coating my brush in powder, and then I'm just setting on my under eye. So I just set my whole face with powder, just like I always do, with the big fluffy brush and my Clinique translucent powder. Now I'm going in with this IT Cosmetics powder contour kit, and I'm going to take this shade right here. I don't ever use this shade. I barely use the others. But I wanted to be like extra bronzy today. My camera keeps dying, but I skipped through just a few things. All I did was set my entire face, like, you know, did the bronzer, and then just applied some blush. So, and then I primed my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, like I always do. I just felt like, go ahead and do that because I always do that. So now I'm going to start off by going in with this NYX palette right here. And the eye makeup that I am going for is a very smoky, nice, warm browns with a little glitter. So, here we go. So I'm going in with this fluffy brush right here, and then this color. It's like a orangey brown. And I'm going to just apply it all over my lid. And with the Naked Urban Decay this, the regular one, and guess what? I'm gonna take Naked and Buck and mix those two together and apply it on the outer part of the eye. So up next is the Smoky palette, and I'm going to take this color here, Dirty Sweet, and I'm going to take it with my flat brush, and I'm just going to take it and apply it all on the lid. So now going in with this MAC brush, it's a lot denser and fluffier, and I'm just going to take the color Whiskey right here in the Smoky palette and blend those outer corners out, and that's where it's going to get real smoky. That brush off, I'm going to go in with Naked and do that at the tops. Okay, so now that I have blended all of that out, I'm going to take this little piece of heaven. It is the Color Effects Liquid Highlighter. I don't know exactly what the shade is. It's just a tester that a friend gave me. And I'm going to take it with a flat brush, and I'm going to get a big amount, like just a little bit on there. And I'm going to start making a cut crease, but I'm not going to get off. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm just going to Okay, so I'm done with that, and I just blended in the middle part right there so it wasn't super harsh. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to take the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and everyone knows when you have the puppy emoji, your winged eyeliner has to be like perfect. So I'm going to try my hardest to do a good winged liner. Okay, so the winged eyeliner is on. I think I did a pretty good job. Next up is brows, and as you all know, puppy dog filter, brows are always on fleek. Okay, so now for the brows. I'm definitely going to try my best, for sure, to have Instagram brows. Finishing my brows, I'm just going to kind of brush them out a little bit. So I'm just brushing my brows out and they're done. So now it is time for mascara. So I'm going to, oh, just kidding, I haven't done my bottom lash line. So I'm going to take this part of it with this brush, with this NYX color, and just bring it around. Take Champagne Pop from the Becca Cosmetics with the same brush, just kind of cleaning it off, and I'm going to take Champagne Pop and apply it on my inner corners for a pop. So now time to curl my lashes and put on mascara. So I'm using the Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm just going to apply that all over my top lashes. And if you wanted to, I didn't have any lashes with me, but this look would be so pretty with some really, like, very full, long, super glam lashes. I think that would be so pretty. So now that my top lashes are on, I'm going to take this CoverGirl full lash glue mascara, and it is a brown mascara. So I'm going to take it and put it on the bottom lash line. So for the last thing, I'm going to be taking this, what is this called? Color FX liquid highlighter like I used earlier. I want to have a pop-in highlight today. So I'm just going to apply it right on where my highlight is supposed to start and then just blend it out. And it just gives a really nice natural looking glow, but still so on this side. And blend it out. Kylie Jenner fell on the ground. I'm just gonna go over the where it starts with champagne pop. Just right there. Just the blinding. Oh yes, honey. Okay, so now for the last thing. You can tell by the theme, this makeup is really like Instagram makeup, if you know what I'm saying. So all Instagram makeup people always just do like a nude lip. So I'm just going to do this Kylie Cosmetics Candy K liquid lip. So like I said, I'm just going to leave my hair just down like this. So it's time to make our puppy nose. I figured out that it is super hard to have this taped to your face because the double-sided tape doesn't work and you can't glue it. So what are we going to do? I'm going to take my puppy nose, a skewer, and a piece of cardboard. And I'm going to just put the puppy nose on the cardboard and draw, like outline it, and then I am going to cut out the cardboard. So here we go. Okay, so as you probably guessed, I'm going to put the cardboard in these two together. Haha! Cool, huh? Now I'm going to take the skewer and just some regular tape and tape the skewer to the back of the cardboard. You can glue it, do whatever to it. I'm just sticking it on there, and now you've got this. You can, like, what's up? Because it was so hard to get this glued to my nose, to stay on my nose, as a matter of fact. Alright, so now time to add the ears, and then the look will be complete. Just gonna bring out as much hair as possible. Okay. So cute. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And this is so weird. I hope you enjoyed this look. And if you try it out, let me know because I'll be super cute. And if you're this for Halloween, send me a pic.